Hello, what's up guys, I am Mario and welcome next tutorial where I will show you how to restore unlikes on YouTube. As you know, YouTube remove unliked. He said it as unseen on YouTube and you don't know numbers unseen, number unlike. You have only like. I will show you way how it make it to have seen unlike on YouTube. Okay, I'll show you. Have link in the description to this application. It is return YouTube dislike. Now you add extension, and after installing you have added, and now you may choose a video, for example this, other. As you can see, you have show unlike on YouTube. So as you can see, it's working, my friends, and you have here also, you may also disable or enable view unlikes. Okay, I show you yet other tutorial. As you can see, it's working. And that's all in this tutorial, so thanks for watching. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye and see you next time. Bye.